Hi, Guy, welcome back to another video. Today we went to talk about a new indicator, and I will tell you how the indicator works in this video. Please watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works, and how to use the indicator correctly and without loss. Can be saved, subscribe to my channel, so you can get such profitable indicators, and you can avoid the loss. Let's start the trading video.
Here is a signal from sellers. The candles have reversed from the yellow line resistance, entered the Bollinger bands, and broken the white resistance line. Green line, which shows the support line when the candles come near the green line, and the blue line of the Bollinger band indicates a signal reversal. We see the candles have made a high on the red line of the Bollinger band. After the red line of the Bollinger band, the candlesticks touch the blue line of the Bollinger band, along with a support level. From here the market reverses for a while. Buyers are strong, unable to break the green line below here. The green line is a strong level. We know the market is in reverse for a while. is another example of a green line. As the candles are not breaking the green line and the candles are turning green, then we will trade with buyers. I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Okay, bye, see you next video with another good indicator. Take care.